What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya, the best booming crash trader, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make $100 a day while it's using the 1450 strategy. It's a very simple concept. As you can see, I've got about 4 positions that are in profit, and this is due to the fact that I'm using this 1450 strategy. So we're going to start off with boom. We've got positions on boom 1000s and boom 500. So I'm gonna go to my boom 1000 and show you guys my entry and how you can make $100 a day by just following this simple strategy. As you can see, this is my trade with a couple of entries there, and we're deep down in profit. So with this strategy, you'll be able to trade to more than intraday trade. Basically, you'll be able to do swing trading and position trading, and this will allow you to grow your account while it's using minimum risk. Okay, these trades will be like swing trades, and you can hold just using a small lot size so that you do not lose your account. So there is minimum risk, but what you're looking for is a big win or big movement in the market. Okay, you want to try and catch as many pips as you can while it's using this strategy. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. As you can see it, all of our trades, they are swing trades, very big movement. As you can see, another one is right here. This is volatility indices though. There's a big movement, big swings. Remember, we're in a 1 hour time frame, and this is about day 3 on this trade. So I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. You just place your trade with a smaller size and then hold for days. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is, of course, set up the strategy. So I am going to add my moving averages. The first indicator will have a period of 14. The shift will be 0. The method will be exponential, apply to close. There are no levels on this indicator. Visualization, please just allow it to be on all time frames, because we're going to be moving from different time frames. We're going to be doing top-down analysis as well as time frame blending. Okay, and then on your style, I'm going to choose this red color, then click done, and as you can see, we now have that red moving average right there on our charts. The next one will have to be in moving average again, but this time the period is going to be 50. The shift will be 0. The method exponential, apply to close, and we'll have that red color, and then click done. Let me just correct my first indicator and choose green for my first indicator instead of red, so that we can have different colors on our screen. And that's for the main chart. The second or the first indicator window, we're going to have the stochastic oscillator. It's going to have the following properties that you see on my screen. Please make sure that you have these 2 levels, your buy zone and your sell zone. Your buy zone is going to be level 20 to 0, and then your sell zone will be level 80 to 100. Okay, but you just set it up like this. Then you click done, and on your style, just make sure that your main and your signal have got the same color as your background color, so that you don't get too many lines on your charts. So if I click done, you will see that down here, what we only have are the 2 levels, 80 to 100, and then 20 to 0. Okay, and then once you are done, you're going to add the final indicator under our indicator window 1. It's a moving average again, but this time the period is going to be 10. Everything else will remain the same except the color. Of course, I'm just going to change the color to black, and then click done, and as you can see, we now have the black line down there. This is going to help us with our momentum, for it is very, very important for you to establish that, so that you'll be able to hold these trades for long. Okay, so here's how you're going to do it. You're just going to stick to your 1 hour time frame if you want to hold your trades for a little bit long. Okay, so how do you have the conditions when you're trading, or when you're swing trading and position trading? It's very simple. The first thing that you do, let's say you want to get into a sell trade, because that's the one that's on my screen right now. We'll also discuss the buy trades, don't worry, but the sell trades, here's how you simply going to do it. The first thing is you go to a 1 hour time frame, then you check this black line and see if it has reached your sell zone. Once you have seen that it is reached, that's your first sign that we are most likely going to enter into a sell. But you don't enter right away. You wait for what is called a break of market structure to the downside, right? So how do you identify a break of market structure to the downside? Simple. You have to wait and see candlesticks crossing to be below your green line like that. So once you see candlesticks that are crossing and going below your green line like that, you know that there is a break of market structure right there, and you're most likely going to sell or go to the downside. As you can see, all along candlesticks were above your green line. So once you see them going below and going below, then it means there's probably going to be a change in the market direction, right? Or you can use price action, right? And in price action, break of market structure, you usually see the market failing to make higher highs. If you want to enter into a sell like this, the market will start to create lower lows, and you know that there has been a break of market structure because the market will have stopped making higher highs. Okay, so that's another way. But since we are talking about the 1450 strategy, just use your green line. If candlesticks cross to be below, then you know that there is something down there. Okay, that's your second condition. Your third and final condition is going to be the golden cross. So what is the golden cross? This is when your green line and your red line cross each other. All right, here. So if you see your green and red line crossing each other, basically my interpretation is the broken market structure has been secured, right? And you can now follow that trend. So when you see the green line and the red line crossing each other, it means the change of direction, of market direction, has been I don't know how to put this, has been qualified basically. And it means that it's now obvious that we are now going down. And as you can see, once the break of market structure occurred right there, we started to go down with almost zero drawdown. Can you see that from when the green line and the red line crossed each other, the market never went back up from that. So basically the golden cross is the one that certifies that that a particular direction has been made. It can be an upward direction, it can be a downward direction, but as long as there is that golden cross of the red and green line, then you can jump in. And as you can see, we've been in that trade all day. Actually, we were in that trade all day, and we were deep in profit the whole day. And it's now a second day, as you can see on my period separators, and we are still in profit. How do you then exit a trade like this when do you know that the momentum is over? First thing that you have to take note of is you have to make sure that you get into the trade early. Do not get in late, because you're going to try and hold even longer than the market is giving. So try and get in early, try and get the sniper entries, try and get your setups a little bit early so that you don't face drawdowns, as well as being greedy, holding the market when you are supposed to exit. So when do you exit? Of course, at this time we're going to be using this black line. So once you see this black line approaching your 20 level and in your 20 level like that, basically this first indicator is telling you that there has been an exhaustion in that momentum, and we're most likely going to reverse. Doesn't mean that you will certainly reverse, but basically that indicator tells you that you have exhausted that momentum. Okay, so you have to have that in mind. Let's talk about, I'm going to mix with volatility indices, just giving you an update. I also posted these trades on our second YouTube channel, so you can go check it out if you want to understand in depth. But again, here on V10 1S, you can see that we ended at this level using the same concept. You can see that all our conditions are around that level. So we've got our black line in our buy zone, we've got our candlesticks crossing to be above our green line, showing that this is a bullish momentum now, and we've also have the golden cross whereby we see the green and red line crossing each other, certifying that there is going to be a very big bullish momentum. Can you see that I have not changed my time frames? I'm still in my 1 hour time frame because I want to do what is called position trading. So if you are a scalper, you're probably going to be focusing on the 15-minute time frame and the 5-minute time frame. If you are an intraday trader, you're probably going to be sorry, if you're a scalper, you're probably going to be focusing on the 5 minute and the 1 minute time frame. If you're an intraday trader, you have to focus on the 15 minute time frame and the 30 minute time frame. And then if you are a position trader, you have to focus on the 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame and probably the daily time frame, depending on how long you actually do position trading or swing trading. Okay, so I'm going to be using the 1 hour time frame whenever I want to hold for a little bit longer, because I believe that in the 1 hour time frame there is less noise and actual market direction being represented. So the 1 hour time frame would be perfect for you. And as usual, can you see that once the black line then reaches this is a sign of buy exhaustion. So probably from that level you won't be able to enter. Okay, I don't want to show you my boom 500 trade because I actually posted it right now in our VIP signals group. So we're currently trading it. I'm going to show you the results though. I'll post the results in our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. Just click that link and it will take you straight to our free Telegram channel, where you'll be able to see setups, signals, strategies, results like these, and you'll be able to analyze the market with us as well. It's completely free to join. It's almost 8,000 traders in that community, and it's free. Just click the link to take you straight to our Telegram channel. And for those of you that were asking about our VIP signals, feel free to contact us. And as you guys already know, I give away a free spot in our VIP signals group on each and every video that I post. And this time's winner, I'm just going to put their comment right there, and they can contact us and we'll add them to our VIP signals group, right? And some of you might be wondering, how do we win the free VIP signals? All you have to do is to make sure that you are a subscriber to this channel, you've liked this video, and you comment down below. Okay, it's as simple as that, and I'll pick a winner on our next video. So let's see V25 again, same movement. You want to have your black line down here in your buy zone. You want to have this break of market structure occurring here, and you want to have your golden cross right there. So probably with this trade I should have started right there, but I was using my lower time frames, and then they grew into bigger time frames because from my 15-minute time frame I could see that, can you see, I ended from my 15-minute time frame right there using my 15 and 5-minute time frames. But once I realized that the market is moving in my direction, I kept on my position, and it actually started to give the same entries for a swing trade on the 1 hour time frame. So I decided to hold it for even longer, because in my 1 hour time frame I could already see the buy setup again being confirmed. So there was no reason for me to exit that trade, because the buy trades from a higher time frame were being confirmed. So I knew that this trade I could hold it for even longer. If you want to learn about this strategy one-on-one, feel free to contact us and also get our latest indicator that you can use with this strategy so that you never miss a trade. Until next time.